So in this little bubble wrap bag right here is something pretty cool. I will be reviewing it in just a few minutes here. But yeah, you know I'm a variant collector of everything, even if that's variants of factory customs, variants of cars, that aren't even released sort of thing, fake customs, just, yeah, everything. And collectors like this love this sort of stuff. And in here, if I could try and do this one-handed, I have already double-checked it just to see if it matches the photos, is this fake factory custom of Finn Mcmissile, which does actually look very different to the official release. I will compare it to the official release in just a few seconds here. Yeah, this is a fake version. As we can see, there is no base markings, Disney, Pixar, China, and, absolutely nothing else whatsoever. So this Finn Mcmissile is a fake compared to the original version of Security Guard Finn, but there are some variants of Security Guard Finn already out there, and that is what I'm going to be checking out today. So let's get straight into it. I believe there are actually 4 variations of Security Guard Finn Mcmissile out there that are in 1:55 scale. We have this one here, which I received today in the mail. We have this one here, which is an official release. He is segmented as he has the bumper there. We have this one, which is also a fake factory custom, just to let you know, made in China. No official, base markings to let you guys know it is official. And there is also a unibody version of this, but official release, which is released in 2013, I believe, in the Airport series, whereas this Finn Mcmissile was released in a 2-pack with Acer in 2011/2012. So yeah, those are the 4 that I'm aware of. I'm not entirely sure if there's any more. I believe there was a cancelled version which had lights and sound, which would have been the 5th. If there is more, then maybe some expert, like an actual proper expert. I'm an expert, but not, entirely sure what everything is. Well, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I'll be comparing the one that I got today to some other security guard fins and doing a let's talk sort of thing as well. So yeah, this is the official Mattel version, as we can see here, made in 2011. So yeah, that would be 2012 with a 2-pack with Acer. We can see he has a different expression altogether. This is sort of like the expression that is based on regular Finn, as we can see here. They literally just copied and pasted it and put it on to this one, which looks really cool. I really do like it. A pretty nice release. So yeah, this one is fake, this one is real. The expression is pretty much the same. However, it is slightly different, or the facial expression, I should say. Still got the indicators, he's still got the grappling hook, he's still got the headlights. Headlights a different colour. We can see the Mcmissile emblem logo is there, very much darker on this version. There's the eye expression. The lights, which has this silver bit in the middle, whereas the official release doesn't. So I actually like this feature on this one, because then it looks like a release, like an actual real police car. The bottom, the fake one. The top, the real one. We can see does still have the same sort of Finn Mcmissile rims. The logos are all in the same places. Spelling is the same, especially in Japanese. Logos. License plate. This is the real one. This is the fake one. 314 FMCM. Which of course stands for Michael Caine Finn Mcmissile. Awesome stuff indeed, and here are the 2 bases which you can compare. This one is also fake, so yeah, they did a really good job of copying this one. I just need the unibody. He looks way much more bigger actually. You can still get this one on AliExpress for like 3 to 10 British pounds, which is a decent deal, or maybe on eBay for the same price. However, this one is a lot heavier, a lot heavier. So yeah, even then, the lights are different, even though these 2 are still both fakes. Sadly, this one does have a missing mirror, but you know what? Most of the missiles you look at nowadays have missing mirrors. The headlights are different. Logos are the same, at least the spelling is the same. License plate is still the same on both of these. 314 FMCM, March 14th. And yeah, just to compare, here are the 2 bases. I mean, this base might have some more base markings compared to this one, because this was like a 2022 fake version, I believe, and this one was like a really early days fake version. sort of thing. But that's not all. That is not all. We also have the Tomica version to compare him to. Yes, he is slightly battered. He's tanned, yellow, yuck. But there was a, like, back before Christmas, like literally Christmas Eve, I won a massive auction of Tomica cards for an extremely cheap deal. For like 80 quid, I'd won like 150 Tomica cards, which is an incredible deal. I'll never get over that deal, how lucky I got on Christmas Eve, of all places. I guess everybody was busy. Yet, Tomica, the expression is different compared to this one, and also this one. Yeah, just all different all around. Still got the 314 FMCM license plate. The only one that's different so far is this one because of the headlight. These, like police lights have that silver bit in the middle. All the others seem to have it. But once again, that is not all. Sadly, the Disney Store one is broken. What a shocker. The Disney Store quality is absolutely terrible. The headlights just easily chip off. 314 FMCM. Just got to double check. And here is the base of the Disney Store one. I've got to turn it around because the Disney Store done that weird thing. Disney Store London W69PE, which is the headquarters in London, obviously. So yeah, that is all the variants of Mcmissile, bar one, which is the unibody from 2013 of this Mcmissile. I just put there. Comment down below which is your favourite one. I've got to go with this one. It looks absolutely cool. Can't forget the Tomica one as well. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification button down below. To the next video. Peace, everybody.